Hello everyone, my name is Gholamrezaei or Gholamreza. Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about light and darkness in architecture. The amount and way of entering the light can give a different identity to every space of the building. In fact, the amount of light and darkness in the space is very important, and the architect must provide a proportional diagnosis. Usually, an alternating combination of light and dim lights leads to the quality of a space in the building. Usually, important lighting areas are defined more and purposefully in the combination of spaces next to each other. All human beings instinctively tend to move towards the light. Move to a place where there is more light as a result of this natural form of human behavior. The most important spaces are usually the spaces that have more light. Spaces with more light are usually targeted. One of the reasons for the formation of the composition of spaces and the way they are arranged and even the form of building can be targeted a space that has more light.